What fish is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a heavy one.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, what fish is it?
Flipping in.
What is it?
A big snapper. Big snapper.
Big snapper? Not bad.
That isn't bad at all.
Mom, nice job. Nice.
You got it.
Adventure hook.
Okay, let go of the pole.
Doesn't matter who
Good
hooks
job,
it, it matters who reels it in.
That was
Yeah.
the heaviest fish of it.
That's the best one.
Whoa.
Look at that.
You know what? Oh, see the fangs.
I know. Look at that.
I know.
Look at
Oh,
those things.
I see him. See if you'll
crazy?
get him to open up. Oh, open up, fish.
And whenever they bite you, they don't let go.
Look at that.
Oh.
He's got a double on that side.
Oh. Wait, it's bleeding.
That's pretty crazy, isn't
Right
it?
there, bleeding.
And he's pooping too.
Ew. Ugh.
I bet if I squeezed you, you'd
Ew.
poop too.
Ew.
Look up and smile.
Ew, he's pooping.
Look up and smile, Bryce.
No,
We're worrying about the
I
poop.
ain't doing it.
I ain't doing it.
I'm not doing
Wipe it on your knee.
it. No.
Alright, we're gonna put him in the well.
We're in the state. He's dinner. Okay. Chasten, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Some may say I'm wishing my days away. No way. And if it's a price I pay, some say tomorrow's another day. You stay, I may as well play. Keep it up. I'm wishing my days away. No way. And if it's a price I pay, some say tomorrow's another day. You stay, I may as well play.
Hey guys, so it's Chasten and we're fishing with Bryce today in the new pink yellowfin, and as you can tell, he fits perfectly. And we would like to thank, this fishing trip is sponsored by Hardy Enterprises LLC with William Hardy. So thank you so much for taking Bryce fishing. And so far he is a little fish killer. How many fish have you caught?
Today?
Mm-hmm.
I don't really. I forgot.
All of them.
Oh, all of them.
Would you lose offshore?
Offshore?
Yeah, you remember that big fish? He lost a grouper offshore. It rocked him up. But he's caught like 3 or 4 trout here already. Caught a big snapper.
Oh!
Oh, and he's missing some fish too. All right, let me make sure.
You got a hook?
Because I don't want to embarrass myself and have a bee attack me again or mess up my words.
Again.
And, oh yeah, you're coming for it.
So
Oh,
Bryce,
Nate!
I see him.
Oh. So Bryce, I heard that you might not need a wheelchair anymore.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. What are you going to use instead of a wheelchair? Do you have like those little like walker things?
Yeah.
That's awesome. So then we can race one day, right?
Yeah.
No?
If you're in this thing, no.
Nah. Do you like this new boat?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
Is it comfy?
Yes!
You like it right here?
Yes.
Fits perfectly. All right, we're gonna have Bryce's mom tell us a little bit about Bryce. Because I will probably mess up the words.
Bryce has spina bifida. He was born with it. He has hydrocephalus, so he has a VP shunt. He's currently walking with braces to assist him, and loft strands. He was using a walker, and now he's upgraded to loft strands, which are kind of like crutches that grip the arms, and he's doing awesome in them.
That's awesome. So we are gonna race, like on feet, not in the boat. I'm gonna race you running.
I bet he
You'll
smokes you.
yeah, he'll probably kick my butt. I don't know how to use
Of
these
course I
long
will kick
roads.
your butt.
Oh, okay. All right, well, you're kicking my butt and fishing already.
I think he just threw down the gauntlet.
All right, we will keep you guys updated with these live feeds because Bryce is just killing the fish over